This is the area you come in for romantic boat rides. Yeah, you get to come in for free for a romantic boat ride. And then you walk down these stairs. Look at the beautiful wood carvings. Wow, that's gorgeous. And you're going through the jungle into a romantic boat ride into this boat. Wow. This old wooden boat. And there's one tour guide and just one couple at a time into this romantic boat ride through the jungle. I don't know how you can be romantic driving through the jungle. But man, I can smell the roses. These are, no, they're not real. I thought they were real. No, they're not real. They look, I smell roses, but they're not real roses, so I don't know what I'm smelling. Isn't that crazy? So this is where you come for a romantic boat ride. Let's go down the stairs and see if I can see any, if we can see around the corner where it's going. And you go through this area into the romantic boat ride. It's about a 40-minute ride, 45-minute ride out. And look how clean the water is down there. The water is just clear. You can see the bottom. Wow. Yeah. Not sure that I could do it because I have bad legs and Gora Kevin has bad legs. So we're not sure that we can get into the boat to do this ride. But what a nice place to start from for the romantic boat ride.